Artificial intelligence is changing everything, from how we work, to how we shop, to how we live. But here's the big question, will AI destroy jobs, or create them? Some say it's a threat. Others say it's the biggest opportunity of our time. In this video, we'll explore both sides, the risks, the opportunities, and what the future of work could look like. Let's start with the concern most people have, job loss. Pushpin AI chatbots replacing customer service reps. Pushpin self-driving trucks replacing drivers. Pushpin algorithms doing tasks accountants, lawyers, and analysts used to handle. A World Economic Forum report once predicted that millions of jobs could be displaced by automation. And it's true, repetitive, routine tasks are the first to be automated. But the story doesn't end there. History teaches us something important. Every wave of technology replaces some jobs, but creates others. Think back to the Industrial Revolution. Machines replaced farmers, but also created factory jobs. The internet replaced typists, but created web developers, app designers, and digital marketers. AI is no different. It's already creating demand for white heavy checkmark data scientists, white heavy checkmark AI trainers, white heavy checkmark ethics and compliance officers, white heavy checkmark even creative jobs like AI prompt engineers. For every job AI replaces, new opportunities are opening, ones we couldn't even imagine 10 years ago. Instead of thinking AI versus humans, what if the real future is AI plus humans? Doctors using AI to spot diseases earlier. Teachers using AI to personalize lessons for students. Writers using AI tools to brainstorm ideas faster. The secret isn't competition. It's collaboration. Humans bring creativity, empathy, and judgment. AI brings speed, memory, and data processing. Together, they're unstoppable. So what jobs will thrive in the AI era? Pushpin jobs requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, and leadership. Pushpin jobs designing, managing, and regulating AI systems. Pushpin jobs that combine human strengths with AI's speed. The people who adapt, learn, and work with AI will be the ones who succeed. It's not about fighting the future, it's about preparing for it. So, will AI innovation take away jobs or create them? The truth is, both. But history shows us one thing, humans always adapt. And the ones who learn to use AI will lead the future of work. Backhand index pointing right, what do you think? Is AI more of a threat or an opportunity? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear them. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more AI versus human content. Because the future of jobs is being written right now, and you don't want to miss it.